If you're looking for a new air purifier, then consider picking up the Veva 8000 Elite Pro Air Purifier. Today we're unboxing and reviewing this product to see if this is something you'd like to pick up. In the interest of full disclosure, this product was sent to me free of charge by Veva. However, all the opinions you're about to hear are my own, nor has anyone reviewed or approved what you're about to see before it was uploaded. This complete air cleaner system includes a HEPA filter along with 4 pre-cut activated carbon pre-filters. It features an innovative and sleek design that guarantees the air purifier to be the perfect addition to any home or office. It can be changed from a tower air purifier to a tabletop air purifier by removing the base. It measures 9 inches by 8 inches by 23 inches. There is a 3-stage fan speed range from ultra quiet to turbo. The premium activated carbon pre-filters remove odors from pets, smoking, cooking, and more. The HEPA filter captures dust and allergens as tiny as 0.3 microns to remove household dust, pollen, and PM 2.5 particles. It also has an automatic shut-off safety feature when the front panel is removed, making it safe for homes with a baby, cat, or dog. If you're looking for a quality air purifier, then consider picking up this product. Hope this was helpful in making your purchasing decision.